State lawmakers will meet tomorrow to discuss a bill that would allow doctors and patients to treat COVID with medications approved by the FDA but used off-label.
Those include hydroxychloroquine and ivermectin, which infectious disease doctors say aren't effective against COVID. Darla Smith of York County tested positive for COVID about a month ago, as did her husband, Keith.
We both did teleconsults with America's frontline doctors, and we both got ivermectin scripts approved, but it never came in the mail.
Ivermectin, a drug many infectious disease doctors say isn't effective against COVID.
What we often find are people who do ivermectin in lieu of these proven treatments, and that's dangerous because we know that vaccines save lives, we know monoclonal antibodies save lives. Ivermectin doesn't have any of those benefits.
Keith ended up at UPMC Memorial, where doctors wouldn't give him ivermectin. After going to court, a judge ordered the hospital to give the drug after he was on a ventilator for 2 weeks already.
If you had no liability whatsoever, and they do not, why would you block it? It's not going to hurt him. This is one of the safest drugs in the world. Why not? It's a Hail Mary.
It's one of the reasons State Rep Dawn Kiefer introduced a bill that would allow doctors to prescribe and require pharmacists to dispense drugs including ivermectin and hydroxychloroquine with the patient's consent for use in the early stage of COVID treatment.
Yeah, I'm 100% in support of that. Yeah. It saved my husband's life if we had had that earlier. It would have. He's still alive now, but prognosis is not good.
Pittsburgh-based infectious disease doctor Amesh Adalja says the studies for ivermectin and hydroxychloroquine don't show a benefit.
The ones that seem to show a benefit had been flawed or not really extrapolable to the general population.
That's why he'll be testifying against the bill.
I think it's tantamount to malpractice when you steer a patient away from something that's proven towards something that is not going to help them. And I think that's what we have to draw this distinction. There are doctors out there that are doing things that don't make sense from a medical scientific standpoint.
In a statement, Representative Kiefer said, quote, "I'm not advocating for a specific drug. I'm advocating for patients' rights and the sanctity of the doctor-patient relationship." The House Health Committee meets tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. at the state capitol.